On the night of 8th of June 2024, police arrived at the Additional Secretariat Parking Lot where Bindas Syiem, a lone lady protester, was continuing her indefinite hunger strike for the welfare of the people of Ri Bhoi District. Allegedly, the police intended to forcibly remove her under the guise of a medical checkup. However, facing opposition from supporters present, the police retreated. Shortly after, the Superintendent of Police East Khasi Hills, Rituraj Ravi, allegedly inebriated while on duty, arrived with his team. As they entered the tent where Syiem was staying, the public surrounded them, protesting the forceful attempt to take her away under the pretext of a medical checkup. One bystander demanded that a doctor or medical practitioner be brought to the location, stating that this is a standard procedure when an agitator's health is in question.
Don't force. Don't force. Don't force. There is right hand here. In front of you, sir. Please leave the right hand.
Don't push anyone. Don't push anyone.
Simsang, you know the see, at least medical should be here.
Just send
the medical officer. No one. Please don't force.
No, nothing by force. Nothing by force. You just go for medical.
No. Send the doctor here also.
Please just go for medical and you will come back.
See, let me narrate one story. Let me, as a media person, let me narrate one story. There was a high-profile case here who went on a hunger strike. You all sent a doctor. That is Mr. Bindas Syiem. You all send a doctor, sir. Sir, no. I will argue with you. I will go to any extent and argue with you. You all send a doctor here, and they went on for a medical checkup. And just because he's an ordinary person, no, sir, you'll have to send a doctor, sir. You'll have to send a doctor, sir.
Anything. I am only here to that.
No, see, I already had a word with your OC, sir.
Listen, let me. Wait. I am only here to just see that her health is taken care of. That's it. That's the only thing.
If you sir, wait.
I'm not. I am here.
Sir, first question I have for you. What is the role of the police?
Yeah, right now. Yes.
What is the role of the police?
Yes.
Is it suppose if there's another coronavirus?
Yes.
Okay, say so tomorrow.
Yes.
Is the police or is the doctor to take care of it?
My role is only that.
Then
so that's why,
you can just come and pick. But see, Simsang, no. See, I'll cite another example again. That is Mr. Aden's case.
Relax.
Mr. Aden's case.
No.
The doctors were here.
No.